Hey, what's up guys, welcome to FineGap YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to teach you that how you can create different pages in Shopify. So without any delay, let's start. First of all, you can see that currently I am on my Shopify dashboard, and here you will see an option like online store. From here you will see another option for pages. Just click on this, and here you will see your all existing Shopify pages. You just have to click on this add page button to create new page, and from here you can give title like about us, and from this section you can set the visibility of your page. Maybe you can set a specific date, and on that specific date this page will be visible to all your website users. And or you can simply select the visible option, so it means when you will save this page will be visible to everyone. And here you can write some description, and you can also use an AI tool to generate description. When I will click on this, it will asking me that what I have to write here, so I can give a prompt like write about us description as we sell t-shirts in United States, and let me click on generate. So let's see the magic. So here you can see that it is generated some description for me. I will click on keep button, and you can see that the description has been generated successfully. And you can also, here you can see that on Google your page will be look like this, because currently I don't have connect any domain, that's why this link is appearing to me. Otherwise maybe you will see your domain name like finegap.com/pages/about us. You can also edit this page, and for example you can write in the page title that United States store for branded t-shirts. You can write SEO friendly title according to your needs, and you can also edit this description. You can also edit the URL, and next in the last you will see a theme template option here. Because I'm using the default theme, which is Dawn. If you are using a premium theme or some other theme, you will also see templates for your page. So you can select that template, and what one thing will be left, that you only have to insert content after selecting a template. So currently I'm using the default page theme, and I will click on this save button. So you can see that about us page is created. Now let me click on pages. So you can see that this is the page that we create, and if you want to see its preview you can click on this button view page, and you can see that currently we have this page. And if you want to add this page to your navigation menu, what you have to do, you have to click on this navigation, and here it is displaying me two menus. The main menu, I have to click on main menu, and from here I will click on add menu item. From here I have to search for specific page. These two pages exist in my pages section, so I will select the about us and click on add. So you can see that we have added this page to our main menu. Basically this is our main menu. Now I just have to click on the save button, and let me refresh my page. So you can see that we have successfully added about us page to our main menu. So friends, this was the technique that how you can create multiple pages in your Shopify store. I hope this video will be helpful for you, and if you have any question you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. And finally, thanks for watching.